crimping for cat6 UTP cable. Okay, this is cat6 cable. Okay, let's start crimping. We'll show you how to crimp the cable. I have a crimping tool, Kongda. This is quality crimping tool. Okay, let's start cutting. To remove the plastic, then orange white, the green and blue pair, also the brown pair. We have to just remove this plastic one. We have just cut and remove this. Okay, first I will mix try for this orange white and orange, then next green white and green white blue. The next pair is from one green white and blue. Next blue white, next blue white and green, brown white brown. Is it okay? Then we'll show you how to cut this cable for crimping. We have to make it properly for perfect, the crimping is very, we have to look like very professional. Then I will show you how to make the crimp. Just we have to just cut this small cable from, we just want to keep a little bit, around 3 mm. This is, we just removing the cable. Okay, now how we can put the jack. The UTP jacks, we have to put the orange white from the first top level, then just keep the your rj45 jacks. Okay, this is orange white in the upside. We have to orange white from the all pairs till down. Then we have to push this cable to the jack inside. The cable will come very, looking professional. This is the very right way to make the crimping. Otherwise it will damage, they sometimes they will be damaged. Okay, this is now we can crimp this one. Okay, because 100% inside. Okay, we have just pressed this cable first time. Yes, enough, it's done. Okay friends, this is straight cable color code. Will explain to you the cross cable methods in part 2 video. Just subscribe my channel, let you know the next video. Thanks.